What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside of the Goodwill. We're gonna head inside, see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. It's been a little while at this place, so hopefully they have some goodies in there. I think they close at 7 and it's almost 7 right now. So hey, why is that car alarm going off? Okay, let's get in here and make some money. Oh, these are cool. We've got some Animal Crossing backpacks right off the bat. Oh, they're $25. They're definitely from Target. These are nice though, honestly. These BioWorld backpacks. Might still look into them, see if they're worth anything. Let's see how the median games are looking here. Lots of VHS tapes. I love the children's VHS tapes. This could be good. Oh, Zaboomafoo! Do you guys remember Zaboomafoo? He was my favorite. I might get this just for myself. I love Zaboomafoo so much. Alright. That's cool. What else do we have here? Kids songs, Sing Out America. This has got to be worth money. 1987. It's got to be. It's just got to be. What else? The Last Unicorn. I remember that movie. Wow, there's some good movies in here. Heathcliff the Cat. Oh yeah, The Adventures of Dudley the Dragon. Come on, buddy, that's gotta be money. So I'm gonna start scanning a little bit here and see if we find anything. Oh, this has gotta be worth it right now. Halloween's coming up, Mary-Kate and Ashley. Yeah, there's probably money there. Hopefully I'm popping prices up for you guys to see these, because I'm gonna have to do some looking up right now. I don't even have a cart, they didn't have any. Oh man, look at all the board games. My ADD's acting up. Okay, let's get to scanning. So there was a whole bunch of VHS tapes on the other side. I thought these Lost in Spaces might have been good, but they're just not, sadly. Even at 50 cents each, maybe if you got them all, because blue is half off here, maybe if you got them all and made a big lot on eBay, it could be worth it. I don't know. I'm sticking with what I know, what has proven sales history. And look at all of these sealed tapes for $1 each that are all going for decent money. I'll pop a couple prices up here so you guys can see. VHS tapes, I still sell them all the time. They do sell slower than DVDs, slower than Blu-rays, slower than all that, but they do sell. We have a brand new sealed Star Wars Phantom Menace down there. I think it's only 15 bucks, but it's money. Some of these are going for 20, 30, so definitely stoked about that. There's a few more that I still have to scan here, like this Ferris Bueller's Day Off. We'll scan it in together and see if it's worth anything. Got the barcode scanner up on my Amazon seller app. Here it is. Ferris Bueller's Day Off, brand new, 20 bucks. You'll make $10. It only costs $1. And you always have to make sure they're not reseals. A few ways to tell is this extra little Paramount kind of security tag down there. Some have different types of security tags on the bottoms, whoever the maker of the tape is. And sometimes on the plastic, there'll be something printed on the plastic, like this right here. That's actually on the plastic. So that's how you can kind of tell it's not a reseal. That helps. So we'll snag that. See if there's anything else. Against all odds, I didn't look up, but oh no, that's still sealed. I thought it was ripped. It's not. Let's see if this is worth anything. All right, we'll scan it in together. VHS tapes. Who would have thunk I would have found those here? It looks like, boom, $8. Not worth it. You only make $2 after fees, so this can stay behind. And do I see anything else here? We have some Spanish Dr. Seuss VHS tapes. I've never heard of this. Jealousy Circle Square. This looks old school. Some old puppets. Try to look into that. We got Fraggle Rock. It's kind of cool. Some Sesame Streets can be okay. Ooh, a brand new sealed Rocky and Bullwinkle. Brand new sealed Rudolph. Ooh, Die Hard. Not sealed though. This one is Greatest Story Ever Told. Yeah, okay. Let's do some scanning and see if any of these are worth it. Alright, the only one worth it was the Rudolph. So we'll snag that for $1 and keep looking. We'll check out the electronics over here. See if anything cool pops up. So far, pretty barren. We have a Sony receiver right here. Control center for $20. Looks like an older one. Definitely not going to be worth it. Not seeing anything great over here yet. No. Canon, a record player, Sony record player. 12 bucks, that might be good. Not something I want to deal with right now though. So we'll leave that. Yeah, electronic section not looking too hot. $10 for a mouse. Nope, not gonna happen. We'll keep looking. Check down the next aisle. All right, at the last thrift store I was at, they had a whole bunch of these cake pans and I bought them. Do I need more? If they're worth it, I guess I'll grab them. We have a Big Bird right here and it's got a big old dent in it and some gunk. I'll leave that behind. Definitely don't want to mess with that. We have a Mickey Mouse right here. No dents. I like to see that. Ooh, $5. That's expensive. I like to pay about $1 or $2 for these things because they do take a while to sell. Let's see what else they got here. They have some Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Yeah, $5 each. The turtles might be worth it. I'll look into them. And then there's one more over here. Just a bunny. Probably not going to be worth it. So we'll look into the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. We'll look into the Mickey Mouse and see if there's any wiggle room there. On hopefully they're selling for 30, 40 bucks, but you guys will see soon. All right, so I hate to pay $5 on these things. There are 2 of them, so that's nice. Drop my phone. I'm always dropping my phone. I hate to pay $5, so it's $10, but here it is on Amazon selling for $65. You'll make 50 bucks each. Trust me when I say these things do sell for me. I know on eBay they sell for less money. I get that. On Amazon they just sell for more. I know people can be restricted on them. I'm not. That's why I sell them there. You can still sell things like this on eBay or Mercari. I've definitely sold a bunch of cake pans on Mercari. You can get a little bit more than eBay, I found. But for me with Amazon, this is a no-brainer. I'll pop some prices up. You guys can see that I'm selling these things all the time. All different brands, all different, well, not brands, they're all Wilton, but all different characters and styles. They sell great for me. They do take a while, but when you have a bunch shipped in, the sales just keep rolling and rolling and rolling over time. So take these 2. Time to look up Mickey. This Mickey Mouse isn't on Amazon, so leaving it behind. And we're gonna have to keep looking through. Oh, I just found another one. Okay, we'll have to pop those right there and look this one up. See if this girl, who is that, Starbright? I don't even know. We'll look into her. So this, I thought it was Starbright. It might be Rainbow Bright. I'm not sure, but not showing up on Amazon, so probably no listing there. I'm just gonna leave it behind because this place closes in about 10-15 minutes, so we gotta check out the rest of the store. Oh, I just spotted something really cool. There's a big old mask right here. It's $3. That's cool for $3. Oh, it's missing one of the eyeballs. I just noticed that. That's a shame. It's really cool though, but we'll leave it. You know, I'm always afraid to put masks on ever since I saw that Goosebumps episode where the mask gets stuck on your face.
Carly Beth, what is it? A mask. It won't come off.
Really? Can't get it off?
It's like it's stuck to my skin.
But it would be a cool mask. So nice that blue is 50% off, so always keeping an eye out for the 50% off. We find some more stuff. What do we have here? A digital electric smoker for $175. I'm gonna have to look into it. Gonna have to. Also have a basketball hoop for $110, but the smoker might be good. Let's see. Can't find this brand anywhere. I found a similar looking one that didn't have a glass front. It sells for about $250. At $175, there really wouldn't be any value in there, so definitely leaving it, but it's cool. Didn't know if these things were worth like $500 or something. They're not. We only have about 10 minutes and we have some toys and stuffed animals and fun stuff over here to come take a quick look at. Hopefully we have some golden money. Oh, what do we got? Squashed? Never heard of that. We'll look this up. I'll scan it in. All right, it just got scanned in and it looks like it's selling on Amazon brand new for $19, used for $18. You'd make $8 on it. Looks like there's a decent amount of pieces to count. If it's $1, it's $3, so we'll leave that behind. See if we can find anything else here before they close. Little Toy Story pinball machine. That's kind of cool looking. Darth Tater. That's wild. And a Scooby-Doo vintage, probably fold-out chair. Cartoon Network. What is that? It's from 2002. Wow. 2002 Scooby-Doo fold-out chair. Really neat. Operation Brain Surgery. Yeah, not seeing anything that'd really be worth it over here. Sadly. They do have a glass case that we'll check out also. That is creepy. I don't like dolls that have super realistic looking faces. They definitely creep me out. You know, I want to see what this chair looks like. I'm too interested, too intrigued. I don't know what I was expecting, but it's a letdown. I don't know why. It's just not that cool. I don't know why I was expecting something to be very cool. It's also really small, like really small. Whatever, we'll leave it. All right, time to go check out the last place, the glass case. Hopefully there's something over here. Hi, can you see me? What's up? I don't know. Got a bunch of JBL, a bunch of them actually. Headphones, this is all Target clearance right here. See, $25, $5. These Sony H3 headphones for $50, gaming headset. I actually kind of need a new one. I have some Sony headphones down there for $25. They actually might not be that bad. I might look into those. We have a Spider-Man toy right here. Look at that. It was normally $60, then down to $30, then down to $15. I don't know if you guys can see that price difference there, so that might have some value. We'll look into that. Then we have a bunch of video games up here. Anything good? ATV Off-Road Fury 2, that's a fun game. Not really worth anything. Hot Wheels might be worth a little bit. That Harry Potter game might be worth a little bit. I know it's hard to see. Gonna have to look them up real fast before we get out of here. Alright, so those video games weren't really worth anything that I wanted to look up, but I noticed this one right here, NCAA Football 09. Not something you'd expect, but it sells $3. It sells for over 20, so we're definitely gonna grab that and leave all of these other games behind and head out of here. Oh, actually, there's a few games up here I just noticed. Maybe there's a hidden gem? Let's see, what do we got? We have Spycraft. Don't think that's worth anything. Horizon Nightmares, no. Transformers, maybe. Dynasty Warriors 6, really water damaged, maybe. I'll scan these in. All right, just walked out of Goodwill and ran into my guy Dre right here. It's kind of dark. Yeah, you can see him. And take a look at this. We got a trunk full of goodies right here. A whole bunch of Legos, Monopoly, some tin signs I'm buying. Lots of cool stuff. Didn't expect that. Some video games right here. We'll see if we can walk away with a great deal. I kind of messed up his trunk a bit, but we got a whole bunch of stuff. We'll go over it when we get to the house. Spent, what, $137. Got some video games, got some toys, got a whole bunch of cool things, some signs. Super stoked about it. All right, we are back at the house. This is everything I picked up that night in that trunk of Dre's car. Some pretty cool stuff. I'll show you guys exactly what I got. We got a few video games right here. Story of Seasons, Pioneers of Olive Town, Harvest Moon, One World, and Super Mario Maker 2. I tried to pay around 50% on these of what I'd make after fees. In some cases I paid a little bit more, and that goes for all this stuff. And in some cases I paid a little bit less, but really right around that 50% mark, maybe closer to 55% mark. So he got a little more money, but hey, you know what? I'm happy helping him out. He helped me out by getting all of this good stuff right here. We got Predators, Active Camouflage Berserker. These guys are pretty cool. They all have these Amazon stickers on them, so I'm gonna have to pull all these off. You could see some of them are going to be a little bit of a pain to get off here, but they will come off. So I paid about 50% of what I would make on all this. This Star Wars R2-D2 Tamagotchi, that's kind of wild. We have this Marvel Legends Mr. Knight. Now everything here is brand new besides the Switch games are all used, and this Tamagotchi has been re-taped up on the back, so that is used. Everything else is brand new. I think they were Amazon returns, Amazon overstock, but all the seals are still on there and the packages are still new. I just have to get these stickers off. And then we got 3 tin signs, an old Milwaukee beer sign, a monster that challenged the world, that one's pretty cool, and this Dodge Power. These are just repro tin signs, but I only paid $3 each on these. Even if I sell them for 10 bucks each, I'm still looking at a profit. So some pretty fun stuff, very happy about that. We also bought a taser for 20 bucks. So that is personal use. So we got a taser, we got some video games, we got some toys. Very happy about this buy, especially because it came randomly. Most everything else I bought at the thrift thrift store is already listed on eBay, shipped into Amazon. I did that all this morning, besides all these Wilton cake pans and this one Sony alarm clock that I have to get listed. So not bad, very happy about the haul. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions at all, subscribe if you haven't already. This is Thrift School signing out. See ya.